Hello and welcome to another VarCal travel episode. I am in the Philippines and today we'll be showing you some of the different foods that I've had or seen on this episode. Let's get into it. Okay, so I've eaten at the Philippine McDonald's, which is different in the US, have some of the same stuff, but they have some other items that the US doesn't. I've had Jollibee's, which again, Jollibee is a Filipino fast food restaurant. They do have some in the US on Jollibee's. Then I've had some other foods here in the Philippines. So let's show you what I've had. The Zagdi watermelon is my favorite slushy drink here in the Philippines. Here is the homemade breakfast that I had at the Philippines, which is the sino and fried rice. Okay. And I really like the sino. Sino is really good. McDonald's in the Philippines. This is in Silang, Cavite. Here is their morning breakfast in the Philippines at McDonald's. Here's what I had, languiso, egg, and rice, and then pancakes. Philippines also has a Starbucks. This one's also in Silang, Cavite, which basically, the menu's a little different than the US menu, but they do have a lot of the same drinks that we do and some same stuff that we do in the US. Next we have Jollibee's, which is, this one is also in Silang, Cavite, which I really enjoyed Jollibee's because there's spaghetti, chicken, and all kinds of stuff on the menu. And what I had for breakfast, tapas, eggs, and rice. And lunch, I had chicken and spaghetti, which is really good. Also in the Philippines, there is a Dunkin' Donuts.
Yung sa besa, sabi ko kumusta naman siya sa koro? Di pag natawag sa akin.
Here are some different foods from the Philippines. Some of the foods that you see here will be served at the festival. So this is a variety of different foods, and also there's some different vegetables from the Philippines. I hope you enjoy. Also, please stay to the end of this show. We'll be also showing you a marching band from the Philippines to end off the show. And thanks for watching.
We want to hear from you. Please post comments on what you think of the show and what you would like to see. Please leave comments so we can bring you a good show. We will be trying to improve on the show, and we hope it will be with your help. Please click on the subscribe button below. Also, click on the notification bell to get notifications on when new shows come out.